coated with niobium nitride. So the cobalt chromium, the wear and tear is more, and longevity we can say about 10 to 15 years. Whereas zirconium is relatively strong material and longevity is little more, and compared to the cobalt chrome, it's a zirconium longevity is more. Whereas here, the one what we are going to present to you is OPULENT Bionik Knee. This particular system, the material is titanium, it is coated with niobium nitride. And hardness wise, it is 2 times harder than the zirconium, and it's 8 times harder than the cobalt chrome. The friction is very less compared to the cobalt chrome material. And there is no scratches. The scratches usually on implants will increase the wear and tear, and it causes a loosening of the implants. Whereas here, this particular implant has got no scratches and it will last for long years. And some people, when we do this knee replacement surgeries, the problem what we face is allergy to the metal. Whereas with this, the allergy is 0%. The OPULENT system is coated and it is 8 times harder than the cobalt chrome and 2 times harder than the zirconium material. The OPULENT system is in practice in US for more than 20 years and in Europe more than 15 years. And this been launched in some parts of India before, and now in southern India we are launching now.
Subscribe to Volgan Television.
Please subscribe Volgan Television.